প্রিয় দর্শক, আজকে বিপিএল এর মাঠে খেলা হয়েছিল পিতা ও পুত্রের খেলা। বলছিলাম মোহাম্মদ নবীর ছেলে হাসান ইসাকিলের কথা। খেলাটা খুবই মজা লেগেছে, খুবই ভালো লেগেছে এবং মোহাম্মদ নবীও যখন নেমেছিলেন তখন পিতা ও পুত্র মিলে দুইজনে করেছিলেন 50 রানের পার্টনারশিপ এবং হাসান ইসাকিল করেছিলেন 60 বলে 92। তো খেলাটা দেখতে থাকুন বন্ধুরা।
Well, it's quite a sight, the Sylhet International Cricket Stadium. And what about that? This sight. Father joining his son in the middle. Certainly a monumental moment for father and son. That's his T20 career, closing in on 7,000 runs. 478.
That'd be a good thing to talk about around the dinner table. How well they've played, father-son, and the son's been the shining light.
Oh, that is massive. That really is clocked for 6. He's hitting them so sweetly. Once again, the balance, the power shot.
Well, if I would have been dad here, I'd have been saying, well, the apple don't fall far from the tree, does it? There you go, slower ball. Oh, thank you very much. What a shot. A 150 up with a 6.
Oh, it's another one. It's lusty blow. That's bigger, straighter. They're having a blast out there. Son and dad, they are laughing and they're enjoying each other's company.
Well, that is amazing. It really is.